look at piggy fish there. Nice one, pretty one. Yeah, nice. Have a nice catch yourself. The Seagulls then. Natural life down here. Look. I wash out clean. Really natural life down here. Right behind us. I'll show you the lesson. Let's just see this a bit. Clean up in life and things. Diver come in. Yes, fisherman. Respect. Man, let me shot you. Like you come in with your tool in right now. Yeah, man. Gotcha. Spur, man. Spur. What's that? I'm coming. Yes, I am. When you get ready for work or you finish work? Alright. Yeah. Finish work in the peeps. So, man, kids will have catch my family. So, anyway. Back to our boy, yes, sir. I'm showing around the place. I'll show you around my crib. Yeah, my crib is. Yeah. Now where we dog, just chilling. Yeah, I need the boat, I get some little shade. Yeah, and everything go. Now, the boat running now in the pits. That's it. Yes, a big man, I clean up some conch here. Was still family, the good man, I go and wait. Yes. You have to dodge that, Yeah, you can't. Let me see them something there. Yeah, alright. Sir. Yeah, you know, man. Man, have to eat food, see you, man. Yeah, man, you ever get something? Them just are clean up, you know. Eh? 2 bag? Oh, you sell the bag then? 100. 20 for, alright. We'll come check it. So 100 for the one there and 20 for the clear one then. Yes. Let me see me have changed that. 150.